YouTube, what's going on, guys? We got a special one here today. The big Trike got a big block 301cc. Forget that 212, we don't need that thing no more. We got an 8 horse with a 40 series torque converter. Check this thing out, guys. Donuts for days. Big shout out to AAP, Armed American Patriot, for these free beats, man. Fire. Appreciate it, bud. Watch this, guys. Guys, I don't know if you guys are gamers, but go check out Mr. Orange on YouTube. He's a gamer. Check him out, Mr. Orange. Got a pretty cool channel over there. God, you see it. Oh man, that was fun, dude. Oh boy, let me get this thing back. Tune that idle up a little bit. YouTube, what's going on, guys? Look at the beautiful big Trike. Oh, by the way, this is Nubs, you know, Tampa Boys Customs. Hollering at you here. Been working a lot, guys. Ain't had no time to make no videos. But we here, we back at it, you know. Check it out. The big Trike got a 301. I've been riding a little bit. I got a 62 sprocket down on the bottom, which is way too big for this 301. And my clutch is a little wore out, so that kind of sucks. So the clutch is not grabbing like it's supposed to. But man, does this spin these tires so easy, guys. I don't have a seat yet. You can see I cut the old office chair off. It's gone. Look at that right there. That's a beauty shot right there. Sorry about my grandfather mowing back there in the background. He's cutting the grass, you know how it is. You got 10 acres out here, guys, you gotta cut it. And thanks to my buddy, Go Karts Gone Fishing, Nate, he's got a whole front end with suspension that I'm gonna put on this. So I'll have some front suspension finally. But you know, this rigid ain't no joke. I can start it up for you guys if you like. Can't really ride, it doesn't go very far. It's engaging really hard on the clutch. We can fire it up. Let's go. Probably can't hear it over this dang lawnmower back there, but let's fire it up, see what we got. Guys, we're back. We got the beautiful big Trike. He's got the 301 plate welded in there. You see it. It's beautiful. Unfortunately, this clutch is not engaging right. Or the housing or something. Something is funky going on with this belt system here. But you see it, guys. It's in. I got to make the seat bracket now for the seat right here. So you got somewhere to sit. I'll take you over here, show you some other stuff. We got Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea got a new axle. Still waiting on the motor plate for this one. There's the 8 horse. But Sweet Pea got a new axle, guys. Bigger rear sprocket, a little bit smaller tires. So yeah, man. There's the other axle right there. You can see how much bigger those tires are than those. This one is actually flat though. This one's got air in it. These are, I believe, a 145/70s. Yeah, 145/76. So I'll give it some more bottom end. You see them big tires and actually just bent the crap out of that axle, man. So we'll go to these smaller ones and hopefully that'll work better. Took the axle out of my old little Trike right there. Got the Murray just chilling. Shoot, guys. Got the axle for this. I'm waiting on the clutch and the bearing pillars. We'll be putting that thing on there. Yeah, I seen a new chain for this one too. That chain was
guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.